back to our channel. I'm Mistaha.
And I'm Nunai, and we're
the Yusufs. So it's been a while since we did a Zara haul and we decided to do one. I think there's probably going to be a sale soon, so you probably will get all of these things for sale.
Yeah, for
there's
sure.
usually a sale this time of year, right?
Well, I think it's after the holidays.
Yeah, so
if you like any of these things, then just wait for the sale, sweetie.
Yes.
We got you. We'll just let you guys know how we think about it and if it fits nice and all of that.
Yeah.
That way you can maybe add it to your wish list. We can't wait to share our Zara haul with you guys. So stick around.
We got some really amazing pieces that will be perfect for holidays if you're going to events, or if you're just lounging around and want to look, you know, cute in your sweatery stuff.
Yes, absolutely. So
let's get to
right
it.
into it.
Okay, so first things first, the most exciting piece and the smallest piece of them all is this like beaded crystal bralette. Obviously, we're not wearing this alone.
It's a little risque.
We're gonna wear it on top of, like, you know, like sweaters or like shirts, just like to spice things up, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so cute.
Yes, like picture this with like a really oversized white men's shirt.
Yeah.
That would look so chic.
Right.
This is my favorite piece because
So nice.
y'all know how much I love a blazer. But this is like a blazer dress. But obviously you can wear it like, you know, with pants.
Blazer, yeah.
Yeah, and it's $169. We got it in a large, and my favorite detail is this like fun like crystals on the side.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. The details are like looks really good quality, y'all.
Yeah.
And the blazer is very sturdy, very nice structured shoulders, and it's a really like long length. It goes down to like just above my knees. So
next piece is this sweater. When I picked it out, I pictured it to be a lot bigger. I thought like the medium would be a little bit larger than this, but it's very tight looking. I think it's still cute though. It reminds me of the Isabel Marant like sweater.
yes.
So yeah, this is a really cute.
I love like the
knit.
braided details.
Yeah, it has like all these fun details in the front, on the neck, on the sides. Super cute.
The next item is this nice satin silky wrap dress. Is it a wrap dress? No, it's not. It's just a regular dress with like a mock neck. Again, it has like these crystal details. A lot of like the new collection Zara items have like crystal details.
Lots of like rhinestones, diamantes.
Yeah, very perfect for
Very
holidays.
holiday friendly.
And then it has, I'm not sure if you guys could pick it up on camera, but it has like zebra print, like literal zebras.
Like actual zebras.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All over the dress. Yeah. And then it has a nice slit on the side, and then this like nice belt, so that you can cinch that waist. And of course it's long sleeve, and it's like a nice like long maxi dress. So very nice. I feel like this is like year round.
Yeah.
For sure.
Everybody needs a long sleeve black dress.
Yeah, for
you know how people like to say, oh, everybody needs a little black dress? You also need a big black dress. A long black dress is a must too.
Yeah.
Another fun knit. I am obsessed with this sweater dress.
This is amazing.
It's literally floor length on me, so I'm extremely excited about it. I wish it came in like several different colors. I definitely would have brought it.
What size is this?
I'm pretty sure it's a large. Large. And like that was intentional, so it could just, you know, so I could look like I'm wearing a muumuu. Also, my favorite thing about this one is like the chest. Like it has these like really high sweetheart, like sharp boob like knit. It's so cute.
That's really nice. Next item is another sweater. It's like another sweater dress, and this one is like a midi. It goes just right below, I guess, the ankles. Not the ankles, the knees. And it's a turtleneck. Just a simple, very thick knit sweater dress.
Very nice.
Oh, and also I think we got this piece to go with this.
So just to kind of make it look sexy.
Yeah, so this is a corset, and it's kind of like a sweater material as well. And then imagine this paired on top of.
Yeah. So
just
cool.
Like cinch it so nicely and just make it look like you're wearing like a really nice flattering sweater dress.
Or you could wear this on top of like a big white shirt.
Yeah.
Or even on top of a blazer if you can
cinch it all in together.
And then another shacket, because shackets are still cute. And
this is a really great color.
A really nice color.
This would go great with this.
Yeah, fun fact, I want a Chanel bag this color.
So nice.
Yeah. Imagine this and a Chanel bag.
Ooh.
Woo! That would be so cute.
Everything's cuter with a Chanel bag.
Yes.
This beautiful skirt. Wow, I love this so much.
So nice.
It's like a very nice velvet material.
Yeah.
And it has like these really tiny gold speck like polka dots. It's just very pretty and flowy and very Muslima friendly. If you're a hijabi, this would look great.
Yeah, or you can even wear it with like combat boots, blazers,
dressed up, dressed down,
sweaters.
Perfect.
Yeah.
The only concern is it is a little bit sheer.
Yeah, so you have to wear like tights underneath it.
Yeah, you would have to wear leggings underneath for sure.
Yeah. Next is this outfit. It's like so cute. I love that it's like super oversized menswear. I'm just obsessed. Like, what can I say about it? It's like a pajama suit, but kind of like more sophisticated and more androgynous. I love it.
Next up is another set. This one's more very like casual, just running errands type of thing, grocery shopping, or even lounging around the house.
Yeah.
I feel like sweatsuits are really in ever since COVID. And we have definitely been collecting them in every single color and shade. And this is just like a really nice chocolate brown color.
Yeah.
And I feel like it would really just accent it would complement both of our complexions, I feel like.
Correct. The last item is this sweater vest. I just think it's so cute to throw on top of, you know, like long, big white shirts, big pink shirts, big any
We've
shirts.
mentioned big oversized shirts very often in
Yeah,
this
it's because that's
it's
like
an essential. If you don't have one, make sure you get one, especially during the sale.
Yeah, and we'll show you like how we obviously are gonna style it. So this is one of those things that we just love to accessorize with our big white shirts.
Yes, absolutely. All right, you guys, that's it for our Zara haul. I mean, we loved most of these pieces, so we're definitely gonna keep most of them. But we definitely will be returning a couple of the pieces for sure.
Yeah.
Because we have similar items that we already have in our closet, so there's really no need.
Yeah.
But yes, you guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new here, we're the Yusufs. We're sisters who primarily make, you know, videos about fashion and lifestyle, those type of things. So if you're into that, definitely subscribe.
Stick around.
Stick around and subscribe, sweetie.
And if you want to see how we style these things further, make sure you follow us on Instagram because that's where we share most of our fashionable photos.
Yes, absolutely. And if you're an original sweetie, thank you so much for sticking around and watching the rest of the video. We appreciate you guys like always. We will see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Oh, no.